In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up Odoo database. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to sign into your account. Once you've done that, you want to click on your account top right and you want to click on My Databases. Now, here you can see all your databases. I have 3, as you can see, and then where you want to actually back up. So I want to back up this one, for example. I want to click on this cogwheel next to it, and then here there's going to be like a bunch of different things showing up, and what you should do is click on Manage. Now, when you click on the Manage button, it's going to take you directly in here, and then you'll be able to basically click on where it says Backups. You can click on Download Backup, okay? So you can just click on that, and you can wait for a few seconds, and it's going to download a zip folder, which is going to contain the backup for your Odoo database, just like this. As you can see here, if I open this up, this is basically all the files for my Odoo database. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.